Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tamara and this is Reimagine 50 Plus. And today I am traveling through Texas. We're in Groom, Texas. And you could see this from miles away. So we thought we better just pull off and take a closer look. Not that you needed to, because it's pretty visible.
Just off Highway 40, which is the old Route 66, you are going to see the cross of our Lord Jesus Christ rising 19 stories up into the air. This is quite an amazing discovery as you travel down the interstate, and I think it is worth a stop. We didn't know what it was, but we knew that we had to get off the highway and investigate a little bit closer. I'm really glad we did. It was quite spectacular. This 2.5 million pounds of steel cross was funded by a Texas millionaire. The land surrounding it was actually given by a second millionaire because they both felt this was something that the public needed. Speaking of that, it is free to see. There is a gift shop, there are restrooms, and there is ample parking for RVs and big rigs, so no one will be turned away because there is no room at the inn. The cross is surrounded by the 14 stations of the cross, and although it has a distinct Roman Catholic or Lutheran feel to it, you certainly do not have to be of that faith in order to appreciate and feel very moved by this depiction. Each life-size sculpture has a plaque telling you what you are looking at, as well as the scriptural references. So you do not need to be a Bible scholar in order to appreciate and understand what is going on in each of the statues. There's an interesting little sign that says you are now 3,300 feet above sea level, which is perhaps having to do with most Christians believe that Jesus was 33 years old when he was crucified. I found it to be very moving, very thought-provoking, especially just off the highway where you would not suspect this was just waiting for you. A wonderful surprise, and it's worth spending some time here as you're traveling down the road in Groom, Texas. In addition to the stations of the cross, there is an empty tomb depicted. There is also a full-size replica of the Shroud of Turin, and according to the plaque, this is one of only 7 in the world. As I mentioned before, there's a gift shop and then there are restrooms. There is a Divine Mercy fountain, and on the east side of the cross, there is another memorial shaped like a tomb where Jesus is kneeling. There is also a bronze Last Supper featuring Jesus breaking bread.
This was one of the most unexpected things I've ever seen, and it just goes to show that you never know what you're going to find when you're out on the road making discoveries. Sometimes it really is the journey.